So the School of Hospitality Business Excellence to me used to mean, how do I show up as my best self? At first, I thought it was all about me, about consistency, about discipline. And as time went by, I realized that it's about we. It's about, how do I influence others? How do I make other people feel? And how do I work in teams? Life is about doing things with other people, connecting, building relationships, and creating something bigger than ourselves.
I think excellence within the School of Hospitality Business really starts in 1927 with the founding of the program. Close to 100 years later, Michigan State University Hospitality Program is consistently ranked in the top tier of programs across the country. All of that results in highly successful alumni.
To me, MSU excellence means delivering the highest standards of service, integrity, and innovation, values that directly align with the travel industry. It's about going beyond expectations, creating meaningful experiences, and ensuring every client interaction reflects professionalism, attention to detail, and genuine care.